Hi, it's Dr. Cortez. I am in our cat room at Phoenix Vet Center, and the reason for that is that I'd like to talk to you about bringing your cat to the vet. A lot of people don't think twice about the need to have their dog seen once a year, and they may have a cat in their home that hasn't been to the vet in 5 years. Unfortunately, the big problem with that is that cats still have a natural tendency to hide illness. They're still quite wild in that regard, and because they can be prey animals, they are not going to let us know when they're not feeling well. So there was a study done not too long ago where they were looking at arthritis in older cats, and that the vast majority actually had some pretty serious arthritis, and nobody knew because the cats really weren't being obvious about the problem. And there are lots of other illnesses that can be the same way. The majority of cats, by the time they're in their teens, tend to have some level of kidney dysfunction, and that can be anywhere from just some mild issues where they really aren't having any problems yet, to the more severe where their kidneys are actually not functioning anywhere near peak capacity, and they're quite sick, but the owners really don't recognize the very minute signals that they give off. So the most important thing is to make sure that you have your adult cat, so I would say up to about 10 years of age. An adult cat should be seen a minimum of once a year for a wellness exam, ideally for wellness blood work, so that we can monitor blood glucose levels and kidney values and all of those sort of things to make sure that we're not seeing a progressive disease developing. And after age of 10, they should really be seen about every 6 months, just because a lot can happen to an elderly cat in a 6-month period. And the sooner that we find an issue, as much as we don't want to see the problem, it's a lot easier and a lot less expensive to take care of it sooner rather than later. So please have your kitty friends seen as soon as possible, and once a year at least. Thanks.